planning events and all that. I'm getting a little better because I'm about to launch my own event, but I'm probably going to have somebody help me with that. So if I find somebody else that has a skill set in that area that I suck at, and I have a good skill set in an area that they suck at, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
To kind of find that. The last thing you want is like, unless you're working with like a big name coach who would like bring a lot of people into the event, and they're like, you know what, that guy, like, he's like super well known in martial arts. Like, I'm not going to miss this event for the world. If they have that kind of like name, then
Right.
and they have the same skill set, then bring them in. But if it's just somebody who's like on the same level as you and they're not really adding a lot, then don't partner with somebody who's got the same skill set.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then as far as like, if you're talking about partnering with somebody who would make it like financially easier for people to like actually travel and show up, and they have a lot of connections with like whoever, like travel agencies, I don't know, then that would be a good one. As far as the payment is concerned, I mean, you wrote 50-50. I think most people would agree to that. You could try to go for like 60 or 70 and then just have like 50 be your worst case scenario.
Yeah.
But it's pretty easy to track on this. So like, for example, with me, like I've got a lot of affiliate stuff going on for the group, for email secrets, we've got affiliate stuff. For my high ticket anti-promo tab offer, I've got a lot of affiliate stuff, like all these tags and like Zapier and this and that, trying to like attach affiliate names to it so people get the right credit. It's a little complicated, but
Yeah.
I wouldn't overthink it if I were you, because it's like there's only 14 people and
Yeah.
it's pretty obvious whether or not they show up. So there's not really going to be discrepancy in that. And you usually don't have to pay out affiliate commissions until A, the person pays and they've agreed that there are no refunds, or B, after they've already like traveled and like they're on the plane and they can't go back.